Here's another piece that McAdams Graphics recently did to promote our hybrid printing system. Again, hybrid printing is the blending of web offset with web inline finishing and high-speed, high-quality inkjet delivered by the Prosper S10s made by Kodak. This here is a snap pack. Again, we've done imaging on the front, obviously just for the address. And again, it's a snap pack form. I'll open it up for you. Once you tear the tabs off, you open it up, and as I mentioned, we are using pictures to try to talk to our audience on here. First of all, within it being a snap pack, this return device, which is what we also wanted to show our customer base, that you can get a nice return device on here, envelope, bang tail, personalized questionnaire if you want it. But in the carrier itself is really what I want to highlight at this moment. This whole 4-inch path is inkjet imaging delivered by the Prospers. We are using pearls again to drive customers to a website with a little bit of an offer. Up on top here, this is also inkjet, black only. You can have any color you want at McAdams Graphics as long as it's black. But the biggest thing I want to point here is certainly the geo-mapping photo again. But right here, McAdams Graphics is using 2-point type. We want to let our customers know that the Prosper S10s not only deliver a nice picture, but they can handle the small print as well. So 2-point type is being used right there. Now to kind of move on to the coupon, which I think is a really nice device. Again, a snap pack as you saw in the earlier parts. Bang tail envelope, as I pointed out earlier. Again, this is a coupon that can be removed. This whole panel has been inkjetted, although our questions are static, so that was offset ink. The variable data was really in the picture and in the contact information for the salesperson. I do want to point out again that one of the nice things about the Kodak Prosper and hybrid printing with offset ink is that we can match our offset ink to our variable black ink. As you can see, look at the match, the blacks here, the black here. Again, there are some variable data in this paragraph as well, but we are matching that color. You don't have to worry about that as you would in a toner-based world, where if you delivered a black text here and wanted this image, you would not get a complementary blacks. Anyway, on this particular return device, we've created that bang tail as I showed earlier. So it perfs away. Here you have a return device to send in your contribution or questions, maybe from a survey or however you wanted to gather the information. As I mentioned here, we're using survey questions that people are sending back in. As part of the Pearl, they can either visit their Pearl and send in their answers, or fill this out and send their answers. Amazing thing about this, I would have thought in this electronic world that we would have gotten 100% of our responses via the Pearl. It came to pass that probably about 8 to 10% of our responses came through the mail, and they had to pay for the stamp. Anyway, what you got here is a nice return device, slips into the envelope, leaving behind likewise a calling card for the salesman, and on the back we have a 2D barcode directing people to our website. Anyway, that's the package. Hopefully this form and function, the creativity that you see here, the variable data that's being delivered, all could be delivered on your direct mail piece. I think much more powerful. Again, the use of pictures, small type, return device. I believe it has it all. If you'd like to learn more, please call McAdams Graphics or visit McAdamsGraphics.com. Give us a call and ask to speak to a salesman. Thank you.